And this is exactly what I'm talking about. You know, you made over $100 million in your career, and now you have nothing left to show for it. The schools make a extraordinary effort to bring athletes in to talk to students. What they're not telling the students is that over 80% of the athletes are gone broke. Now, why is that? Financial literacy, bad business decisions, reckless decisions. But the point is that they're bringing them in, and students think that this is their only way out. Rappers and athletes. Far from the truth. There's so many other opportunities out there for them. Creative writing is one of them. This is where my course comes in. From consumer to creator. Let's get these kids involved in getting their creativity out there, but first, let them knowing that their creativity can take them amazing places.